Number 1 of the top 5 Thea BL drama that's a must-watch is Khemjira. Khemjira follows Khem, a young man cursed to die before 21 like every male in his family. To protect him, his mother gives him a feminine name and a spirit amulet. As he starts seeing ghosts and the curse nears, Khem seeks help from Faran, a reluctant young shaman. Together, they uncover a tragic past life link, confront dark spirits, and fall in love. In the end, Khem breaks the curse and finds peace with Faran. Number of episodes, 12. Year of release, 2025. Rating on IMDb, 8.4. Main leads, Naptaskorn Pingmuang as Khemjira and Harit Bo. Number 2 on the list is The Cursed Love. Sivat, a young model and billionaire heir, struggles with uncontrollable fire powers tied to his heartbeat, powers that have already cost someone dear. In search of a cure, he ventures toward the legendary Heart of Divine Magic hidden in the lost city of Tambalinga. There he meets Khunkhao, a mountain rescuer who controls wind and is determined to keep the city's secrets buried forever. As their clash ignites, ancient curses, elemental powers and a destiny-racked love story begin to entwine their fates. Year of release, 2025. Number of episodes, 10. Rating on IMDb, 8.9. Main leads, Ongza Thitat Khumung as Sivat and Now Kittipo Tipai Terit as Khunkhao. Number 3 on the list is The Season of Love in Shimane. A year after a transformative trip to Tokyo, P has relocated to Japan's Shimane prefecture where he works as a travel blogger. Although he promised his partner Panply that he'd become someone stronger, the distance between them grows. When Panply returns to Japan, not alone but with his manager and a rising young artist, P is forced to confront jealousy, evolving feelings and whether his promise still holds. Year of release, 2025. Number of episodes, 8. Rating on IMDb, 8.3. Main leads, Ekapop Tata as P. Zirachot Chot Thikhanpon as Pan. Number 4 on the list of the top 5 is Gel Boys. High schooler, Formod is repeatedly invited by nail art enthusiast Kian to gel nail sessions in Bangkok's Siam Square and begins to develop feelings for him. But when Formod finds out Kian is also doing the same with Tiktokabua, he realizes he's being kept in a standby status. Hurt and confused, Formod enlists his best friend Babin to help him make Kian jealous, and in doing so they all grapple with undefined relationships, youth identity and modern love. Year of release, 2025. Number of episodes, 7, Season 1. Rating on IMDb, 8.4. Main leads, Chaipak Tunprayu as Formod. Montapum Sumonvarankul as Kian. The last but not the least in our list today is My Sweetheart Jom. My Sweetheart Jom tells the story of Yothin, Yo, a spoiled city boy sent to a rural village to reform after getting into trouble. There, he meets Jom Kwan, Jom, a disciplined and kind village leader. At first, they clash due to their opposite lifestyles, but over time, Yo learns humility and responsibility through Jom's guidance. Their bond slowly deepens into love as they face class differences, personal insecurities, and family pressure. The series beautifully blends romance, growth, and rural life, showing how love can change even the most stubborn heart. Year of release, 2025. Number of episodes, 12. Rating on IMDb, 7.7. Main leads, Sapapong Udamkyo Kanjana as Jom Kwan, Jom, and Natapat Tuntisti Chai as Yothin, Yo.
Yeah, I need to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel